Hello, my name is Ron. My internet name is Dutch Digital Dude. This time I try something else. I try to speak English and make the subtitles Dutch. Because when you talk about drones, I think it's worldwide. So, I am for several years a drone pilot. Started with the Phantom 2, Phantom 2 Vision, Phantom 3, Phantom 4, now the Phantom 4 Pro. It's an amazing quad, great quad. But some months ago I bought the DJI Spark. And there are some benefits I like to share with you. But the most important reason that I made this movie is because the order of connection is different, and that's important for us pilots, because it was always first the remote, then the quad powering on, and then the app connecting to the system, and then the system was ready to start. With the DJI Spark, I found out it's better to do it in a different order. That's what I do. I'm a Dutch digital dude. So what's this movie? And you know what I mean.
I tried different Android systems, tablets, phones, but the best is the iOS system. It works the best with the iPhone or the iOS tablet. You need, of course, the remote, a phone, the Spark. You need a USB cable to connect your phone with the on-the-go cable, and the on-the-go cable goes in the remote. And then the order to the different way to connect the system is first switch on the DJI Spark. Just wait a moment. After that you switch on the remote. The remote is the second device you power on. And when it's powered on, you have to wait for the green light. At first it blinks red, but you have to wait for the green light. On your tablet or phone is no Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi must be switched off. Wait, and now it's green. Still no cables. The third device is to open the app on your phone. And unfortunately, the iOS system works the best. After you opened the DJI Go 4 app, you connect the remote with the on-the-go cable, and you connect your tablet or phone with the USB cable. That's the order. That's the only way you can connect the right way. And that's it. That's it, folks. This is the way you need to do that to have a good flight. You can fly with Wi-Fi, but that's nothing. Now, with this, you can fly 1 mile or more. After connecting the remote, you will have a stable digital connection with the DJI Go 4 app. It will say start flight. And this is important for us pilots. So fly safe, and if you like my movies, please subscribe. Talk to you later. Peace.